Hello everyone, it's Lupe from Bruno Planning Co. I'm really excited to unbox my ERIN CONDREN warehouse sale order. I have been holding on to it for a few days, or it might have been actually a week, but if you don't follow me anywhere else, I am a teacher and I'm filming this after my first week back, and it's in a completely new school and a new district. So saying I'm exhausted is a complete understatement. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but it also is a little bit raspy because of wearing masks all day long, and that is something completely new to me this year. So I feel like every part of my body hurts, and I've been trying to take a break from YouTube, social media, and even creating new designs for my sticker shop. But hopefully now that I'm into the school year and I'm making sure to plan everything really well so that I can get ahead, so that I can have some more me time. And today, in between curriculum planning, I am finding a little bit of time to unbox this box finally and to share it with you all. So let's get into it. And before actually I start, I do want to say that this is just a regular box. I think I saw this on Facebook, but a lot of people were saying that they just got the regular white box instead of the pretty ones that we usually get with ERIN CONDREN. I feel like that happens here and there, especially with big sales, because they probably run out of the decorative boxes, and I have so many of those boxes, so it's not a big deal for me. But you know, if it's your first time ordering from ERIN CONDREN, I can see maybe how that's a little bit disappointing. But again, I think with big sales, usually we see more of kind of generic boxes versus the pretty ones. But inside we still have our nice little tissue paper. All right, so I just took everything out of the box, and so here are some of my items. It's not a big order. I actually was a little bit disappointed with the selection for the warehouse sale this time around. So I just grabbed some of the things that I really wanted. There was actually a few things that I really wanted, so I was excited about that. But I feel like this time there was a limited selection of things that specifically I wanted, and almost in general as well. Let me know in the comments if you felt that way this time around too. So let's start with these ornaments first. You've seen me unbox these before in different boxes because I really love them, and I actually already put them up in my office. So let me go ahead and show you that. So here I am on my desk. Don't mind my mess over there, but as you can see, I put some of those balls right here on this corner, and then I also put them on the other side of the room. So this side of the room looks a little bit more bare. This is right on top of my cutting machines for my sticker shop. And yeah, that doesn't look super nice. So I needed a few more to kind of add to this corner. Now I was showing you a really close-up look, which is probably not the best, but I did want to do kind of like an office organization video a little bit later, and how I use some of the ERIN CONDREN products like this to kind of organize everything, specifically like on my desk and for my sticker shop. But like I was saying before, I just started school up again, and my time is just, it's so limited. So I'm just trying to do a little bit here and there. So I bought a set of the gold ones and the brown ones. I think I bought 2 of those. And then a set of the teal ones, or 2 sets of the teal ones actually. So I think I'm going to fill up that corner that didn't have a lot in my office, and then the rest of them are actually going to go to school, and I'm going to put them above my desk as well at school. So I'll definitely show that probably on my Instagram once I get to that. So I have to remember to put these in my teacher bag. So this time around, I have the prices for everything and what I actually paid for them. So these were, or the set of the 3, so one of these are normally $12, but with everything being 50% off, I also used some of my rewards. I think I had like $18 off in rewards, and then I think that was it for the sale. So 50% off, and I had like $18 to spread in my entire order. So these ended up being each, for me, $4.44 for each set. I think that's really amazing. I love the quality of these. If you haven't seen them before, they open like this. It's so beautiful. They have this kind of honeycomb design, I think they're called, and they have the magnets, so in order to keep them closed, they just stay like that, and it's really easy to open and to close and to store. And I love these round ones because they don't look like just maybe Christmas ornaments per se, right? Like they look really pretty. I really like how they look in my office, and I'm definitely going to keep those there all year round. Then I also bought one of these gorgeous mid-century circles, like pencil cup or a flower pot. I think it's called both things. Mid-century circles, planter, and pencil cup. So right now I'm using one on my desk to hold all of my Mildliners. So I actually found these to work really well with the Mildliners because they are kind of a shorter marker versus like if I use my Tombow, that just looks a little bit funny because they're so tall. But I mean, you could do whatever you want, but I really like the way that it looks with the Mildliners. They sit perfectly in here. I have all 24, so they all fit, and I really love how that looks. So I wanted one for my classroom so I can put some pens, or maybe even just like a plant too. I don't know. yet for sure, but I really love the design and the color, so I definitely had to have another one. And this is originally $12, but I got it for $4.43. And I think I've mentioned this before in my other videos that, you know, waiting for warehouse sales or waiting for big sales in which you can combine your rewards plus the sale is always a great time for you to buy extras of what you already have and you've liked before. So like the ornaments and this, which I've already have. So that's what I really like to buy during these sales. And another example is if you break something, you can always replace it during these sales. So I had this case already. You probably watched me unbox it before, but I ended up breaking it somehow. I don't know if I dropped it from somewhere. I don't exactly remember. I remember breaking it, but I don't remember exactly how I broke it. And so I've been waiting to purchase it because I really loved it. So this is originally $24. So after I broke my original, and it wasn't because of, you know, the quality of it, it really was just me. I think I did something to it. But since it was $24, I really didn't want to have to buy another one right away or at that price. So that's why I wanted to wait a little bit longer to see if there was a sale, and then I can get it again so I could use it. And getting it for $8, I mean, that's definitely a steal, and it's so beautiful. I don't have my AirPods with me right now, unfortunately, but it slips in really nicely. This is the top, so it just caps in real nice, and then it's really easy to open, and it was absolutely perfect. It was perfect until I broke it. So I'm just really glad I'm able to get another one because my case actually is a little scratched up. I didn't know that it scratched so easily, but maybe now that I'm keeping it in my pencil pouch with my pens and such, I think it's been getting scratched. So this is going to be great to put on it. So we'll get to some of these pins in a little bit. I also got a little charm. I want to look at this really cute notebook because I think these were new during the warehouse sale and I was really excited to see them. This is the A5 size, so that new size that we've seen in the new LifePlanners, but this is just a notebook with this gorgeous floral cover, and I don't have any floral covers, so this is really nice, I think, for a notebook if I don't want to use it in my planner, which actually I can't use it in my planner because I'm using the A5 ring agenda right now, so I don't have any covers for that. But this is also gorgeous, I think, for maybe my teacher planner if I can get one for the fall. Ooh, and I was holding it upside down and backwards here. So this one says, love, gratitude, grace, and friendship, embrace the fullness of life. So that's a really nice little quote there for the notebook. So it's just a classic line notebook, take note, and it has all of the floral designs on it. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the flowers on the corners. Oh, I love how they did that. Okay, so it's on every page. That is really gorgeous. I got rid of some of the bubble wrap because it was bothering me, but look at how beautiful this notebook is. I love it so much. I always say I have way too many notebooks and I don't need any more, but I feel like this one was too nice to pass up. And I ended up paying $6.66 for the notebook itself. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be using it for, but I think it's a really pretty notebook for journaling. I don't think I would use this as like just to like write notes about maybe what I have to do and anything like that. It looks more like a journal to me, something that you want to keep for a long time just because the pages are so pretty. But again, I don't know for sure, but I absolutely love it. I just looked at the ERIN CONDREN website and they are available. This one specifically that I have, it's a special edition. It's $9 right now on the website. I wanted to make sure it wasn't a limited release for the warehouse sale and I told you about it. So no, it looks like it's a new arrival and it is on the website right now. And then one thing that I was really excited to get was more of the ERIN CONDREN clothing. So I bought previously at a different sale, I don't remember what sale it was, but I bought the layers joggers and those were so comfortable. I don't wear them right now just because it is ridiculously humid and hot just every single day and I don't want to wear pants at home. But I had mentioned before that the clothes I always felt seemed a bit expensive for what I like to spend on clothes. So I always like to wait for sales to try out the clothes, and I was really excited because the clothes were actually, I believe they were 70% off during the warehouse sale. So during the warehouse sale, they were like daily deals. So each day they had something that was a little bit more marked down than the rest of the stuff. So the rest of the things were 50% and then some of the things were maybe like 70%. And the day that I placed my order, that clothing was 75% off, which was absolutely amazing. So this right here is the tank top that says courage, strength, and love. There it is. So courage, strength, and love on the top. And then it has this really pretty mid-century circles design on, let's see, on one of the shoulders. Yeah, one of the shoulders, and it goes to the back of that shoulder. Oh, it's so pretty and it feels really soft. So normally this is $28. Okay, so again, a little bit expensive for me in terms of clothes, but I was able to purchase it because of the 75% off. and because of my rewards that I had, like $18 I believe, I got it for $5.18. So a huge deal, of course, right? I'm pretty much stealing it. Let me see how big it is because I did order, I think, my regular size. Yeah, I ordered my regular size. I think it's gonna fit perfectly, so I'm really excited. It's 60% cotton and 40% polyester, so it has a really nice feel to it, and it's a beautiful navy color. I think it's so pretty, and this is definitely something that I can wear right now when it's so hot. So I just took a second to try it on, and it fit perfectly. So definitely true to size. The only thing I will say, it's a little bit shorter than I would like a tiny bit shorter than I would like, and it's probably because I'm tall, so I like them a little bit longer, but overall it fits really nice. So I'm really happy about that, and for $5 I think it's a great deal. And then the last items are some pins and this little cute planner charm. So you probably are wondering why I didn't get any stickers, and I was kind of wondering that myself when I opened this box. I forgot that I didn't order any stickers. Then I remembered that when I was placing my order, I thought about getting stickers because they were on sale. They had all different kinds of stickers on sale. Not the sticker books, it was mostly just sticker sheets individually. And I remember thinking to myself, do I really need more stickers? And I can't believe I said, no, I don't need more stickers. But here's why I said that as well. I haven't had a moment to organize the stickers that I bought in recent orders. And so they're kind of just all over the place in like a bunch, and that kind of stresses me out a little bit. So the thought of buying more that I'm not going to be able to organize right away is stressing me out even more. So I said to myself, don't buy any more because you're not gonna be able to organize them, and then it's just not gonna be a good deal. So I didn't end up getting any sticker sheets this time around, but this is the time when I do like to buy some extra ones just because they'll end up being like $1 per sheet or something like that. That's really great. I couldn't deal with having more sticker sheets that I couldn't organize, and I really don't know when I'll have time to sit down and do that just because it takes a long time. But this is so cute. So this is a planner charm, so you can put it on your coiled planner. This is my life planner from the last 6 months, I believe. So the one that I'm not using currently, but I think you just kind of clip it. I have never had planner charms, so I'm kind of struggling here. I mean, you can put this wherever. It doesn't necessarily have to go on your planner, but I think that's what it's made for, right? Just can't get it open. So there we go. So, oh, that's so cute. That's really cute. And so I know I don't have a spiral bound, so I thought maybe I can put it on my ring agenda, but I have a feeling that if I'm struggling to open this, I don't know if I'll be able to get it on the ring agenda. Let's take a look and see if it'll actually go on my ring agenda here. Oh, it does. Oh no, it doesn't fit. I should have known. I don't know if you can see, but it does not close because it's too big. I should have known that, right? Like, these are definitely a lot bigger. Yeah, that's not gonna fit there. I don't know what I was thinking. I can put it on the A5 notebook if I want to, or any notebook that I'm using from ERIN CONDREN. I have a few of them. It looks just so cute on here. So, I mean, of course, that's kind of what it's made for. And I believe, I don't know if I said this already, but this was $2.95. That's what I ended up paying for that. And the last couple of things are some pins. I'll show you the other pins that I have from ERIN CONDREN. They're on the board above my desk. And I have been collecting pins now just for a little while. I'm not like a huge collector, but every time I see one that I really like, I'd like to get it, and I feel like that's going to become more of a thing with me. So this one actually I wanted to put on my teacher bag. So I have the ERIN CONDREN tote bag, and it's the bigger version, not the planner version, not the smaller one. And the small one has the ERIN CONDREN logo on the bag, but the teacher one, well, not the teacher one, that's not what it's called. The larger bag doesn't have anything. So it's just a navy canvas, nothing on the front, nothing on the back. And so I would like to put at least this really pretty gold pin on there, kind of like what it looks like on the planner version. And I think it's gonna look really pretty. So that's why I bought this one specifically. And then this one that says grateful, I bought this one for specifically above my desk. So it's this really pretty rose gold color with a pink little accent there in the middle. And I love the quality of them. They're really nice and durable. And I really love this one, especially in the last few months. It's always helpful to remind yourself to be grateful for every day, and just perhaps take a moment every day to think about what you're grateful that day. I've been definitely trying to do that a lot more. You know, even these past few days where I've been completely exhausted, I'm always just grateful for being able to do what I love, which is teaching, and being able to be in the community that I want to be in. And I have a lot of things to be grateful for in respect to my career. And even when it's hard or exhausting, I try to remember that. So this one is going to go right above my desk. Let's see if I can put it on there now. So here is where I have my pins. So this board, by the way, if you're wondering, I think I showed it earlier. So I don't want to take credit for this because it was not something that I found. I saw this on a Facebook post a little while ago. This board is from the Home Depot. I can put a link to it in the description, but as you can see, it has the mid-century circles, and so it goes well with some of the accessories that I have, but there's nothing on it right now because I haven't had a chance to decorate it. But look at how gorgeous this is. And again, I want to do more of a tour of my office later on, but this was a recent addition. So for now, I'm not going to organize it. I'm just going to stick it on here because I don't want it to be on my desk this whole time. I'll just put it right there. And so I have just some pins. These three are actually from ERIN CONDREN as well. This one says love to plan. I love this little set. Actually, I think I'm missing one. This was a set of 3. I am missing one. I thought I was. There used to be, this was actually a set of 3. So it was the glasses, the pencil, and then there was a coffee mug, and I probably lost that one. I have to look for it, but there was a pink coffee mug that I really liked, and that said it was really cute, but it's not available anymore. I don't know if eventually I want to fill it up with pins. I don't think that's really what I want to do, but I don't know. For now, that's just how I want to showcase them. And again, this board is so pretty. Thank you to whoever posted it on Facebook a while ago. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I of course would love it if you liked and subscribed to the channel. As a little update, you know, as I go through the school year, I am learning a lot. I am to learn new curriculum and, you know, just continue to learn the new school. So it's taking quite a bit of time and energy to do that. So I'll post videos as I can. I absolutely love doing the videos and I love interacting with all of you. So it's something that I do want to continue to do. But of course, there's only so many hours in the day. So as I am able to, I will definitely be posting, and hopefully I can continue to do it once a week like I have been, but I will definitely keep all of you updated. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.